Hopefully you all know what that sound is, but do you know where it ends up? Well, we'll show you the way.
Wastewater is any water that is used and then discarded as waste to be treated and recycled. It comes from businesses and homes and usually ends up in rivers or lakes or oceans.
The first step in the treatment process is to filter out all the large debris, like milk cartons and other things. As you can tell, it works very well.
Primary water is allowed to sit, letting heavy debris fall to the bottom to be collected as sludge, and floating materials to be collected as solid waste. As you can tell, this works immensely.
Secondary water treatment, the water goes through aeration tanks and microorganisms eat all the organic material that is left. And if any microorganisms float to the bottom, they're usually recycled back into the aeration tanks. Look, there's one now!
For the final stage of the water treatment process, they mix chlorine in to kill any remaining bacteria off that might have survived and then return it to its local waterway. For the solid waste, it is eaten by microorganisms and then the excrement is taken and pressed together and can be sold as fertilizer or sent to a landfill. In fact, there's a giant floating piece of waste right there.
Possible solution to using sewage treatment plants would be to use wetlands and let our sewage flow through those and naturally recycle our waste back into the environment. This way, wetlands don't have to be destroyed anymore and we can use a more natural way to treat our sewage. You know, John, after doing this documentary, I have a real problem with these water sewage guys, man. They're just letting stuff go into our environment.
What are you gonna do about it, man?
I'm gonna go talk to them, talk some sense into them.
No, you'll get shot.
I don't care.
No, Joe, stop. Joe.
Now you cowards, got something to say to you. Okay. A possible solution, instead of using sewage treatment plants, would be to let our sewage